Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to change background color on Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Okay, let's change the background color for this document. Go to the File tab, then select the Page Setup option, and in the window that opens, click Page Color. Select any color and click OK. As you can see, the background color is changed. Additionally, in the Page Setup menu, we can choose our own color by clicking on this plus sign. And if we click on this pipette, we will be able to select a color from the pixels presented on the open web page. For example, did you know that the text in the address bar is not monophonic but contains many different colors? Next, click the leftmost button and the selected color is added to the list of custom colors. To remove any of these custom colors, right-click on any of them and select Remove. And if you also use a dark theme, see how to add it in this video, then you will get a completely unique combination of colors in your document and not so bright for your eyes. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.